Hey there guys, welcome back to the Crafty Reviewer. Just have a really quick garden update. While you're checking out this video, would you mind hitting the little like and subscribe button down there? And hey, leave a comment below, let me know if you have any other ideas on how we could possibly keep our garden a little cooler. And or what vegetables and stuff grows and likes the super friggin' ridiculously hot climate of Arizona. And don't tell me cotton, please, because I'm not growing cotton. I'm not eating that. Thank you.
Like a Hellcat.
So, as some of you might know, I live in Phoenix, and it gets a little hot here. Well, today, or actually I guess this last week, we've hit 118 for the first time. And so it's hot. Yes, and we built this little makeshift shade until we could do like a more permanent shade up there and all that. And if you just saw the newest video I just dropped about the garden update number 4, I'll put a link up here or down here or something for it. If not, you can always check out the channel. You can see from there update number 4. This will be update number 5. But since update number 4, our garden has sort of started to die. And I believe it's because it got into the hundreds very quickly, and it got into like 118, 115, 118, right around there. That's just this last week, like I said, and it's been pretty crazy. Been pretty hot. It's just like walking into an oven. If any of you live in Phoenix, you know what I mean, or if you've been to Phoenix even during the summer, you know what I mean. So, in fact, I'm talking fast so I can go back inside because I am hot. But let me show you what the garden looks like really fast, and then I'll show you kind of what our workaround hopefully is on the issue of it being too hot and trying to cool our plants down. Sounds weird, but there you go. Let's do it. Alright guys, so if any of you saw my last video, you know this looks like a totally different garden almost, because this was like completely packed full, and we had this vine that I looped up that way that was like down here and like running all the way like over to here. This vine right here was like over here as well, and we looped that right there. And the other one back over there, and there's another one actually from that same plant that's over there as well. Well, they're all kind of basically dying. So start from this side. It's dying rather quickly. We didn't even get any squash off it yet, so that's pretty sucky. And there's our little tomato. He is withering up and dying as well, and so is our tomato plant. Like all that is just like withering and dying. And I mean, these ones look okay right here, but these are like more towards the center, and those ones more towards the back are just like, yeah, we give up, we're dead. So this squash plant right here was doing pretty well, but then it's just like, I don't really want to be right here, I'm dying. That one's completely dead. It's just like a little, I need to take that out probably because it's just disgusting. These two actually, other than the corn, these two are doing the best, I think. The two bell pepper plants, but they still haven't given us any bell peppers, so well, that's a little weird. But the corn, of course, is just looking amazing. And so look at that. Like some little fuzzy stuff growing right there. That's cool. I've never grown corn before, so I have no idea what that is, but it has this like little these shoots things popping up. And then I just saw that. That looks really cool. Let's see if my camera will adjust. Anyways, it's right there. That's awesome. These corns are doing pretty well as well. Still, I mean, they're hot, of course, but I think corn does pretty well with it being hot. That stuff over there is basically the same. But so our workaround is of course, put the big like yard shade over it as well. And my wife had an awesome idea to put this up here and to blast, cooler air at it. And this is just your standard outdoors water cooler. Basically, you have put water back in there. Water drips down from here and gets this wet and shoots the like moisture air out right here and hopefully cools you off a little bit. So let me show you how it works real fast. Go up here, turn the pump on, boop, and it starts to pump right here. Pumps the water out, and then it drips through these little channels they have right there. It drips down into there, and then it wets, gets this whole like corrugated thing wet, and then when you turn the fan on, I'll put this down. When you turn the fan on, we'll turn it to 2. Look at that. It shoots the air out. Okay? But the air, of course, is drawn from back here where the water is, and the water is basically just going over this right here, and it's sucking in the ambient air, which is hotter than all get out, and it's sucking it through here, making it just a smidge cooler, or at least moisture. Yeah. And then it's shooting the air out right here at pretty good speed. I mean, it feels pretty cool, but after a while it's going to be hot water, and it's going to be hot air, but moistened air shooting out. So hopefully that helps a little bit. And I mean, as you can see, all of our plants are kind of moving in the breeze. This one's taking most of it because it's right here in front of it, but I don't know, I might try different placements for the fan, like, or the air cooler. If any are wondering, it's Porta-Cool Cyclone 1000. We did not buy this at all. This is the stuff for it, Porta-Cool. You can find them at www.portacool.com, and pretty awesome stuff here. Has a hose outlet, which I might be using here more soon. But yeah, we're gonna try this for about a week, I think, and see if that helps at all with our plants from dying. So I'll keep you guys updated, but in the meantime, please check out the rest of our videos, and let us know what you think about the garden and what we could do to save it from completely withering up and dying. Anyways, guys, on that note, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you later. On that note, guys, have a great day and stay crafty.